Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. If you're just tuning to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, today is Monday. As you guys know, on Mondays I tend to make reviews of some particular products. So I hope your weekend went really well. I'm so sorry I'm creating this video so late. I'm using the back part of my camera. I just go back home and I just felt like I have to create this video. Okay, so the first one I'm going to talk about is Retin A. I'm using the front part of my camera, but I'll make sure I take a picture and I'll put it on the screen so you guys get to see it. This is Retin A, and so some people believe that there's actually this adage that Retin A actually removes spot, dark spot and all that. But there's something I really need to point out. There's Retin A made in Thailand, or better still China. We still call it China Retin A, and there's Retin A made in the United States of America. Well, the best Retin A you should use in taking off your dark spot is the one from the United States of America. The one from China will only make your face so red and it will not do anything. I'm just going to be honest. Alright, though people buy it in the market. This is from China. People buy it in the market because it's like, as small as it is, it costs approximately 3,500. It's really small and expensive. But the one from the United States is really rare to find. Really rare. But that is the one that is actually more effective. This only makes your face red, and sometimes it causes swelling, you know. Though they actually fixed it on one of the about the side effects. So why should I be taking off spot from my face and also have redness? It's not appealing. It doesn't make sense. So it's a thumb down for me. It's a no. All right, no. So I would advise you probably just learn how to remove your dark spot using different products together instead of using Retin A and end up having a red face, red patchy face. Let me correct that. All right. So also I have another recommendation about pimentos. People call it pimentos, pimendu. Yeah, they call it pimendu. They say the X is silent because it's French. Well, anyone will still arrive at the same thing. All right, so I'll bring it to the camera. I'll take a picture. You guys will see it on the screen. All right, so most people don't actually know what to. This is a cleanser. All right, it's a cleanser using cleansing B&B, pimentos B&B. Most time people tend to remove the cover and claim that this is the original pimento. There's also the other pimento that has a carton. This one is the naked pimento. All right, so most time people use this as a cleanser, as their facial cleanser to cleanse their face. So when you're going to be using this cleanser, it's advisable to use it practically at night, not in the morning, and it helps in reducing fine lines and at the same time reducing dark spots. But the side effect about it is it can be used for long, because if you use it for a long time, you notice it stopped working. That is it. You notice it stopped working, so you have to cut off another pack and you start using it again. So its effect tends to wear off quickly. That's the disadvantage about this cleanser. But yes, compared to Pure de Lune lotion, this is more active than Pure de Lune lotion, because Pure de Lune lotion does not work for all skin. There are some skin that reacts negatively to Pure de Lune lotion. You know, the cleanser and all that. There's so many skin that react negatively to it, that it's a bit too harsh, they don't like it and all that. But this one is actually good in taking off dark spot. Just concentrate on those areas, you know, and you cleanse your face with it. But it wears off easily. That means its potency becomes reduced, completely reduced. You'll notice that with time it's not really giving you the effect. So what is just advice for you is to peel another pack and start using another pack. If you notice there is no longer effect the way it started, just stop it, then you peel another pack and start using it. It's crazy, waste of money. Well, anyways, the other one I'm supposed to talk about is Egyptian talking oil. You know, I would have showed you the other Egyptian talking oil. Maybe I'll take a picture and I'll put it on the screen so you can see it. But this is Egyptian talking oil extra strength. See how small it is. Now, as small as I am, small lady, it's small but actually very good. Most times if you want to use it into your cream alone like that, you can use it into your cream as in like that. It's not really a whitening oil. That's what most people don't know. Egyptian talking oil is not a whitening oil. This oil is not a whitening oil. It's a glowing oil. So I'm trying to actually take off your misconception, or probably just read off any of your misconception about this talking oil. Say, boy, I'm a whitening, you're my whitening, you're running. It's not a whitening oil. It's actually an oil meant to glow your skin. And depending on your measurement of your cream, you use one at a go. You don't use half, and you use one at a go. If you're going to be using a cream of 500 ml, you just use one at a go, and it's really effective and it does its work. Alright, it's not a whitening oil. You know I'm saying it now, because some people are like, whitening oil, whitening oil, boy, I'm my whitening me. No, and no, it will not do that. It's just a glowing oil. It will help in polishing your skin. And most times, not this talking oil, anyway, the whitish talking oil sometimes actually helps in taking off sunburn. It does, but the problem about it is it's also like pimento. It wears off quickly. So when you're using the talking oil, the whitish talking oil, in taking off a little bit of your sunburn, what you just have to do is, if you notice it's not working anymore, all right, you just stop it, because it wears off. Not this one, the whitish one. If you're using it to take care of the sunburn, it wears off. That's the problem about it. And yes, I know this is like a short video. I'm so sorry that it's short. It's coming late. This is like 2:10. I'm coming really late, so I just felt like I promised I was going to make something today, so I just didn't want to fail you and turn to a woman that is promise and fail. I really don't like it. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, all right? And I love you guys so much, and keep glowing, babies. My skincare lovers. I think that's like a good ending, isn't it? No, scrappy. Don't mind me. Bye, guys, and I love you guys like key no day. Bye.